the fathers, the coordinator, my dear teachers, my dear students, you have presented a very beautiful program. I want to congratulate these children on my left and these children who are standing along with me for giving us a very nice program. Did you enjoy this program? Yes. Let us clap for them loudly. Okay, dear children, now you have clapped for them. But these children did not learn by themselves. There was a teacher who was training them. Who is that teacher who trained them? Beena teacher. So we congratulate her in a special way for this wonderful program. Congratulations, teacher. Along with her, all the other teachers have helped, and therefore this program has come out to be a great success. But all these teachers, all these children, even if they were to perform, and if there was nobody listening to them, this program would have had no meaning. So I want to congratulate all these children sitting in front of me who have attended this program so nicely. So congratulations to you too, dear children. You have done well. Now, I want to ask you a question. Have you heard about the Chinese civilization? Maybe you have not heard about Chinese civilization. Besides Chinese civilization, there is Indian civilization. There is Roman civilization. Egyptian civilization. Now you tell me, dear children, all these civilizations which have been so famous, which have been since long ages, do you know? No, I have not asked my question. Do you know why this civilization or where these civilizations began? Were they at the water side or dry places? Tell me. Water side, that is correct answer. All the civilizations began where there was water. They say water is the source of life. You see a very beautiful picture behind me, but in front of you. There is a waterfall and all the water that is gushing. This water gives life. Wherever there is water flowing, people are staying by the side of the river, by the side of the lake, so that they can get water for drinking, for washing, and for various other purposes. So what I want to tell you now at this moment is that water is the gift of God. Therefore, we must use water well. Will you use water well? How will you use water well? By using it sparingly and making use of every drop of water. Wherever there is water, there is freshness, there is greenery. You have not seen rain, because in Kuwait it hardly rains. Those of you who are from countries where it is raining, as soon as it rains, the very next day or after 2 days, you will find greenery, beautiful green grass, because water is the source of life. Therefore, let us thank God for water, God has given us the gift of water. So let us thank God and use water well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Father. I call upon Father Franco to say a few words.
Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, Father.
I don't want to repeat what Father Franco said. I'd like to congratulate all of you again. But let me tell you something about water. How many of you have gone to the seashore, Marina Mall? How many of you? How many of you have seen the water in the sea there? What color is that water? Blue, okay. Now one thing I would like to tell you is, it is blue because we keep the place clean. The water is clean. If you go to your own country sometimes, at least I am coming from India, and if I go to see one sea around the place, it will be all black. No, it will be black in color. Why? Because we have not used that sea where we have thrown dirt inside that, wasted all our waste we have put into that, and so that is how also water gets dirty. No, water gets dirty. So Though you have put the assembly, it's a very nice assembly. We must also remember that we must keep our environment, our place clean. No? So if you like to see a blue sea, that means we are taking care of the climate, the environment that is there. And so we must be careful about that. So two things you must remember. One is not to waste water. Okay, you must not waste water. Second is you must drink water. No, you must drink water. The more you drink water, the more healthy also you will be. Okay, so congratulations to teacher Beena and all the others who have helped, and to you, my dear children. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, Father. Now our energizer, Father Lionel.
How many children are having bath every day? These are good children. They give bath every day. They have bath, and that is why they are looking so clean. How many of you put powder? How many of you put cream? How many of you put Idex? You put balm? You put balm for your leg or your face? You put balm? You put only when you're getting pain, you put Idex, right? You know Idex, no? Idex pain, or which is the other pain? What they know? Deep heat. You know deep heat? Deep heat. How many of you putting deep heat on your face like that? You all know it. You all know that. So nobody is putting pain. Now, when you fall down, what happens? You become dirty and you get little pain, right? Then when you want to wash it, with what do you wash it? With acid? You take perfume and put perfume. You put soap and water. And all the children here have something to tell us. And they did it so nicely, so cleverly, and so wonderfully. So let's give them a very big hand. Come on. Okay. And what about all those other children out there? Did they sing nicely? How many of you like that song? How many of you love that song? All of us like that song. And so let's give them a very loud clap. So, you must say, bravo, bravo, bravo. So, all of them got a clap, a bravo, and we appreciate it. Let's give them once again a loud clap. Okay. I want water to live. I want water to live. Repeat. I want water to grow. I want water to have bath. I will look so clean. So I need water. Lots and lots of water. So that I can dance in the rain. And have fun by the sea. I want water. I want water. I want water. Thank you.
Thank you, Father Lionel. Kindly stand for the school anthem. Stand at attention.